Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at the laws and the rules of Boolean algebra. Let's get started with laws. We have law number 1, which is the cumulative. This formula number 1. If you have A plus B, you can say B plus A. This means the same thing. Then for Roman number 2, if you have A multiplied by B, can do the same even here. B multiplied by A. So for number 2, it is the law of association. You have A plus B plus C. This one is same as A open B plus C. This term here means the same here. Number 2. This if you have A multiplied by B multiplied by C, this one it is equals to A then B multiplied by C. Then let's try to look into another law, which is laws. Even here, laws. In a distributive law, it says you have A multiplied by open B plus C. This one means you are multiplying A by B plus C. A multiplied by C. This one means the same here. So for number 2, then A plus open B multiplied by C. This one can be equals to A plus B open A plus C. This is the law of distributive laws. So now let's go for number 4. For number 4, we have a law of sum. If you're adding A plus 0, the output, the answer it will be A, because A can be 1. So which means A plus 0, which is A. The Roman numeral 2, if you have A plus 1, this one it will be equals to 1. You should follow these laws. These laws applies to every Boolean expression when you are simplifying Boolean expression. So for Roman numeral 3, if you have A plus A, this one should be equals to A. Don't say that A plus 8 is equals to 2A, because in Boolean we only deal with the zeros and ones. So whenever you're adding 1 plus 1, the answer is 1. So even here it means the same A plus A, which is A. Then for Roman numeral 4, if you have A plus A bar, this one means we have a 0 here. This one can be equals to this one. We have a 0 here. A bar means not A, which means our answer it will be 1. So now let's try to look into another law of, this is law number 5, product law. Because if you have A multiplied by Roman numeral 1 multiplied by 0, it will be equals to 0. Because multiplication, whenever you are multiplying any number with 0, the output it will be 0. Then for Roman numeral 2, A multiplied by 1, it will be equals to 1 multiplied by A, the answer it is 1. Then for Roman numeral 3, if you have A multiplied by A bar, this one the output it will be 0, because A bar means not A. That means where there is not a, it means that there is 0. So 0 times a, which is 0, which means the same here, which is here. Then for we have a multiplied by a. This one should be equals to a. Don't say that a multiplied by a, the answer is a squared. No, in Boolean expression, in Boolean we deal with ones and zeros. So that means here we have 1 and 1. So which means 1 multiplied by 1, which is 1. So that means we have a here. So now let's go for number 6. Law of absorption. A plus AB, it will be equals to A. Because here that means we have A, it is common, so that means we have A, open A into A, which is 1 plus B. 1 plus B. So that means here where there is 1 plus B, if you can see where there is the sum laws, here where it's saying A plus C 1, it is 1. So here it means A plus B, it is 1. So that's why it is equals to A. Then for Roman numeral 2, here it means A. Here we have 1. Here it means the same because A plus 1, it is equals to 1. So A plus 1 plus B, which is 1. So the output, it will be A. Take note of these laws, in which will be applied in the coming next question, which we'll be solving right now. If you have A multiplied by open A plus B, the output, it will be A plus A bar multiplied by B. This one, it will be equals to A plus B. It is saying simplify the Boolean expression. So we have P bar multiplied by Q bar plus P bar multiplied by Q plus P Q bar. Here there is a multiplication here. So for solution, P bar, it is common here and here. So that means we are going to say P bar, it is common. So here we remain with Q bar plus we remain with Q here plus we remain with this term here P Q bar. So here, if you can see, there's a law of sum which is saying A plus A bar, it is equals to 1. So here we have Q bar plus Q, it is 1. So here it means we have Q P bar open 1, then plus P Q bar. So here the expression, it will be P bar plus P Q bar. So this is our answer for this question. It can never be simplified because there is no letter which is common here.